How many times have you looked at yourself in the mirror and thought, right, I need to learn Vanessa Carlton 1,000 Miles because that is just a tune. This is a tutorial for complete beginners, so I'm not going to be using sheet music. I'm just going to tell you what buttons to press. So you put your hands in an octave, which is from B to B. Can't reach an octave from B to B, you're going to struggle unless you can do this. Put finger 4 and finger 2 on these two black notes, A sharp and F sharp. And you lift your hand over, put your finger on 3, 2, 1 like this. D sharp, C sharp, B. And you can use finger 2, 3, 2, 1 here. Or you can use 3, 4, 3, 2, but then you have to reach really far up from C sharp to B. I can reach that, but your hand might be too small. So you might need to use second finger on D sharp. I've seen it being written like this as well. The left hand goes E, F sharp, D sharp, E. So together they sound like this. And then there's this part where it goes. So this part is over here, it's G sharp, B. You're actually on these notes over here. G sharp, A sharp, B, C sharp, D sharp. Like this. And then you go finger 1, 3, 3, 5, 4. And your hand jumps up to. And again, back to the beginning. Okay, I hope you found that tutorial useful. Bye.